Hi there. In this video, I will show you how you can find a student code in the teacher's dashboard. Before that though, let's revise what a student code is. A student code is a 10-digit alphanumeric code which is needed for students to log into the BOOKR Class app. Now let's go to the Students section in the teacher's dashboard. Use the search bar to type in a name or set a filter to narrow the results. The chart below automatically loads information about the students. Scroll right to see the student code column. You can export all the data stored under the Students section, including the student codes, in an Excel file, which will make sharing the code with your students easier. All you have to do is select the students and click Manage Selected. Choose Export Student Data from the drop-down window and save the Excel file on your device. Now that the students have their codes, they can open the app and type the codes in the student code box on the login screen.